Hello, and welcome to the fourth and the final episode of the Filmora Creator Monetization Program tutorial series. In the first 3 episodes, you've learned how to apply for the program, how to create your affiliate link, and how to share the link efficiently to maximize your earnings. Now, after you've started promoting Filmora with your affiliate link, how do you check your earnings? And more importantly, how do you withdraw your money? In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step. First, log into your Impact account. Go to the home page. This is the dashboard, where you get a glimpse of your affiliate link analytics. In the first row, your today's earnings, total pending payments, and the balance amount left in your account are shown. Auto withdrawal of your earnings is set at $10 by default. I will show you how to change it later in this video. The snapshot below indicates other parameters of the affiliate link activities. You may change the duration from here. For the detailed analytics, navigate to the Reports menu at the top. Click Overview. Here, you can track the performance of your affiliate link in details. You may change the trend from actions to clicks and sale amount. Hover over the graph to check the metrics. Below are the different categories, like top brands, top categories, top promo codes, performance by day, performance by referring domain, and performance by referral type. You can see your earnings clearly in these categories for the duration set at the top of the overview window. Now, to withdraw your commissions, let's first set up the payment settings. In the Settings section, scroll down to Finance, click the option Bank Account. There are 2 payment methods available in Impact. First is electronic funds transfer, which is free of charge. Select the bank location country. Write the beneficiary account name, bank account type, bank account number, and the ABA routing number. The other payment method is via PayPal. A processing fee of 2% is levied, capped at $20. Log in with your PayPal account to connect your PayPal with the Impact platform. Next, set the auto-pay amount here, which means whenever the threshold amount is reached, payment will be processed to your preferred payment method. You may also go with fixed day monthly payments. Balance must be at least $10 to withdraw. You may also need to submit your tax documents, if applicable. In addition, you can also follow the webpage guide to learn how to check and withdraw your earnings. I have added the link to this page in the video description. That's it. Now share your affiliate link as much as you can to maximize your earnings. You have completed the course. Congratulations! Join the Filmora Creator Monetization Program today and start making money. Thank you for watching.